foster baby finally. It's a cute little black girl. She's tiny and cute. She looks pretty healthy. She's being really good actually in the car. My friend Allison is recording and holding her. And so I'm so excited to finally get a foster kitty after not having one for so long because the last set had ringworm. I'm so excited to be setting up the kitten cage again. Max is over here. And little baby girl's in there. Letting her just hang out in there. She was so calm in the car. It was amazing. So I just gotta set this up and she can come back in. Oh look, she's flexing her paws while I was cleaning. She's got Flea still on her, and I'm trying to get this, she's got some litter embedded in her back. She's flexing her claws. Good little baby. She's so little. You say hi to everybody? She's so cute. She's so good. Maya discovered that we have another kitten. And here's Max. He's happy. He's fine. Oh goodness, why are you in your litter box? Get out of your litter box. Come here. Come here. I have to come up with a name for you. A little Halloween black kitty. It's dark in there. She's cleaning herself because she stepped in some poop in her previous little cage before I got her. That's why I like this bigger litter, because it doesn't stick to their paws like that. Because if they clean themselves with that clay litter, they could ingest it and it's not good for them. Don't lay in your litter box. Come here. Look, we have nice soft blankets. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Oh, you're a sweetheart. Oh, she's so cute, Allison. Her face is so cute. Look at it in the sun. I mean, in the light. Look this way. Hi, baby. Kitty, kitty. Oh, she's got such a pretty face. I like that she's a little bit fluffy. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, we need some toys. I'll get you some toys. So this little baby was eating some wet food when it was in there, but she said I could try the baby food. So I might just make a mix of baby food and this for her. I just use this throwaway container that I only put the cat food in because I'm weird like that. And I use paper plates because they're easy to throw away and I don't want to clean stuff a million times a day. Oh, he's so little and cute. Yeah. I'm getting your food ready. Max is sniffing around. And we gotta come up with her name. She's just cleaning herself. I gave her some of her food. She hasn't touched it yet, but she was eating when we took her from the shelter, so. You're so dark. It's so dark under there. It's gonna be hard to film you. Unless you go up on top. Poor thing's got fleas. They gave her some treatment for it. I gotta give my cats another flea treatment. You say hi? Yeah, it's so cute. I'm sorry, Max. Is that torturous? Uh-oh. I'll put it back in the corner. It's weird just having one. She's not gonna be as rowdy probably. She was just by herself. Somebody dropped her off, I guess. She's so cute. Come here. You'll feel better after all those fleas are dead. Poor thing. So I'm gonna give her these 3 toys. This is pink. It looks red on camera. This little ball and a little birdie that my cats never play with. So My cats have a whole bucket of toys. She's not interested. I'll be back when she's more interested later.